Hey guys, this is Mo, your wellness coach, where we talk all things wellness, yoga, and healthy living. Today I want to show you how I make plantain croutons to put on my salad. This is one of the ways I make it, and it's a nice way to get a complex carbohydrate and add a little bit of sweetness, natural sweetness, to your salads. So I start with my plantain, then I cut it in 4 lengthwise, and then I cut it into little cubes. And I heat up my cast iron pot, and I put it in the cast iron pot with a tiny little bit of oil. Now I rather toss it in some oil and bake it in the oven, but this is quicker and I'm hungry, so this is what we're doing today. So on this set I put a little nutmeg, and I'm going to sprinkle a tiny bit of cinnamon just to enhance the flavor. You don't have to do this part. Okay guys, here's the final product. So you can see I got a good bit from my 2 plantains that I did, and I can probably spread that over 4 salads, just adding a couple of tablespoons to each salad. If you try this, let me know how it goes. Let me know if you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching, and this has been Mo, your wellness coach, saying love and nourish your body, mind, and soul. Okay guys, just wanted to pop right back in to show you what the plantain croutons look like on a salad. And the salad is lettuce, raisins, tomatoes, chicken, walnuts, and almonds. Alright, that's all. Bye. If you enjoyed my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends so that they can enjoy my content too. And I'll catch you in the next video.